Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create an ICP account in just 3 easy steps. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a complete beginner, this guide is designed to be simple and straightforward. If you're ready to dive into the world of Internet Computer Protocol, you're in the right place. ICP is a revolutionary technology that allows for decentralized applications and services to run at web speed. Let's get started. This process is quick and easy, and by the end of it, you'll have your very own ICP account. Alright, step 1. Visit the ICP website. Open your browser and go to www.internetcomputer.org. This is the official website where you can find all the information and resources related to ICP. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it. This will initiate the account creation process. This will take you to the registration page. Here you'll be required to provide some basic information to set up your account. Step 2. Fill out your details. On the registration page you'll see a form where you need to enter your basic information. This is a standard procedure for most online accounts. This includes your name, email address, and a strong password. Make sure to use an email address that you have access to, as you'll need it for verification. Make sure your password is unique and secure. A strong password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After filling out all the required fields, click on the Create Account button. This will submit your information and create your account. Now step 3, verify your email. Check the inbox of the email address you used to sign up. This step is crucial for verifying your identity and activating your account. You should have received a verification email from ICP. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open that email and click on the verification link. This link will confirm your email address and complete the registration process. This will confirm your email address and activate your account. Once your account is activated, you can log in and start exploring. Congratulations, you've just created your ICP account. It's that simple. Now you can start exploring all the features and benefits that ICP has to offer. From decentralized applications to secure data storage, the possibilities are endless. ICP opens up a world of opportunities for developers and users alike. You can build and interact with decentralized applications, store data securely, and much more. By the way, if you run into any issues during the sign-up process, don't hesitate to check out the ICP support page or drop your questions in the comments below. The support team is very responsive and helpful. I'm here to help. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Alright, that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Your support means a lot to us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace, have a great day.